starting to look like Halloween around here.
Haunted Halloween.
Did you miss me?
You discovered a walking, talking dummy and you didn't tell me?
Okay, well, he seemed like a really nice guy at the start. They're moving.
So tiny and cute, what can they possibly do?
Hey, the little guys.
Sonny, they're just gummy bears.